So I went outside, went to the chickies, and I brought in one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and then there were six more eggs in that basket. But I cooked me some eggs because I'm hungry. So look at that, an egg. I really enjoy eggs, and I like hot sauce on my eggs too. And I always like tiger sauce. This is the it says the original, but the label used to be a little bit different. Oh my gosh, there's always something in the chair. Let me lay that over there. And the cheese cutting board. I tell you, never fails to amaze me how much stuff can actually be in my way. Did you know that home is where my plants are? I need to hang that up there because I got a lot of plants. All right. Now, I don't know if this is seeing me very well, but I'm going to eat my eggs anyway. I like eggs. Eggs are good. I put some salt and pepper on there. Oh yeah, almost forgotten hot sauce. Yeah, the chickens were spooked a little while ago because apparently a hawk was coming around. So I keep peeking out the window a little bit just to see if I can see a hawk. And I might have to go out there and see what I could do about that. But anyway, for now, I'm going to enjoy my dinner. One thing I really like is eggs. I eat eggs a whole lot. It's really good with that tiger sauce on it. Really good. What I do is I take eggs, when I crack them open, I put them in a bowl. I get a little bit of milk and I put it in there, and I just kind of stir them up until the eggs and the milk, right? The egg yolks, the egg whites, and the milk are blended up fairly good. I take my cook pan and I spray it with some of that olive oil spray. It's already heating up on the stove, and then I'll pour my eggs in there and I put the lid on and I just let them sit and cook. I don't stir them while they're in there. I don't mess with them. I just put the lid on and let them go do what they want to do. And the eggs will rise up. These eggs actually rose up twice as high as this, but as they cooled, they kind of shrunk down a little bit. But they're still fluffy. They didn't stick to the pan, and they're nice and fluffy. Very good. I ate a lot of eggs because when you have chickens, you tend to have a lot of eggs. Yeah, so good. We'll wash it down with some tea. Oh, I don't know if you can read it, but my t-shirt used to say, "Trust me, I'm a Jedi." It's kind of faded. It's hard to see it. This is one of my favorite shirts. I wear this thing a lot. It's faded. Of course, the letters that are on here are not there as much as they used to be. Oh, good stuff. Really good stuff. I think I did 6 eggs. I believe that's 6 eggs. Wonderful. Just did salt and pepper and the hot sauce, the tiger sauce. This hot sauce is it's a sweet hot sauce. It's still a little bit hot, but it's a oh, what do they call it? It's a fierce flavor. That's what it is. Yeah, it's good. Not too hot. I don't like those really hot sauces. I just like it to be just hot enough. It'll be flavorful enough, and that way I can just enjoy it without suffering through it. So anyway, when I get done with this, I'm going to go out, work my truck a little bit, see if I can figure out a wiring issue. Because I've got a wiring issue. It's been in there for a while. I've been driving my truck, but I'm starting to wonder if maybe I should park it until I get that fixed. So that's why I'm going to go out there and look at it, see if I can figure something out. Of course, after I get my belly full of eggs, I might just go lay down on the couch and take a nap. Man. That's good stuff. I think I saw a hawk.